Welcome to Python for Introductory Statistics. In this video, we will learn how to upload an Excel file from your computer to Colab, and we will do some basic analysis. Let's look at this example. It says upload a Microsoft Excel file from your computer to Google Colab, and then convert the file to Pandas, and then we'll do some basic descriptive analysis as well. So for this, what we'll note is first notice that here, there's no inserts that we could insert a data here. We can only open notebook files, not Excel files. So we're going to need um, this code. So let's go to chapter 14. That's where advanced topics are. And in section 2, chapter 14, section 2 says uploading Excel data. So we're going to need this code right here. I'm going to copy this code and paste it here. Let's make a new code, right? So it says from Google Colab import files, and then uploaded is equal to files that uploaded. We're assigning the file to be uploaded, the name uploaded. So let's run this, and then we'll ask us now it's time to browse. So this is what we need. So now we're going to browse our computer. And for now, I'm going to use, for an example, I have a file here ready. Um, let's see. We can use, I have a couple. Let's use this one, my data file XLSX. We needed to know, to remember the name of the file. So when we open this, look now, Colab has already downloaded it successfully, and it has already assigned the name my data file, my underscore data underscore file XLS. Now we need to read it into Pandas, and then in order to do that, we'll go back to our file here, and we will copy this code right here, and we'll paste it there. So we can make a new code, paste it. Now make sure that the file names match. So we're going to import pandas, and we also need this IO for input output. So now I'm going to edit this file name. My file name here is my data. So my underscore data underscore file. That's how Colab saved the file. So we need to have the same file name. Now this file name is an Excel file. You could use any name for it. But then write the last line here. It converts this file into a pandas. It reads it. It's an Excel file, and it's going to read it and save it as X underscore DF, which is a typical way of saving a data frame. Now let's look what the contents are by doing the head function, which will print the first 5 columns. So let's do this, and we'll be able to see what the file is. Here it is. So the first is gender, male, female. There's sections, section C, section D. These are students, how long it took them to finish test one, their level. Some are the low, some medium, and so on. So we can see one way to see this is that now for the first time we have multiple columns, not just one column, but one multiple column. But there's another information. It's called xdf that info, and what this will do is it will print how many columns there are and how many rows there are. So here it says that the range index, there are 100 entries. So we can only see here the first 5, but it will go to 180 entries from 0 to 179. And then there are columns here. So there's what, 7 columns. Then the name of the column, each column has a name, and the type, what they are. So we will do analysis in the next video. For now, we're just downloading and getting it ready.